Leo dragged a rusted bicycle frame from the depths of a trash bin. His hands were stained with black grease, and his knuckles bled from a sharp wire. He ignored the pain, pushing the mangled bike into his bedroom. For 2 weeks, he bypassed soccer matches, obsessed with filing the bent rims until they finally spun straight. He soaked the chain in oil until the links moved freely, applying a fresh coat of blue paint. When he gave the bike to a neighbor boy, the spark was lit. Soon, a silent radio hissed to life under his touch. By 16, Leo had cleared the garage for a workbench, hammering and soldering while others mocked his obsession with what they called trash. Years later, Leo stood in a massive, bustling workshop. He watched teenagers repairing discarded computers, their faces lit with the same fire he once felt. To a reporter's microphone, he didn't speak of money. He simply pointed to the sign above the door. Broken things are not useless. They just need someone patient enough to believe they can work again. With a smile, he picked up his wrench and returned to work.